Hey guys, it's your private chef Rhadia, and today I'm making my Aunt Dorothy Taylor's famous salmon cakes. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get my onion chopped. Go ahead and just get some oil in here. So I have over here sauteing my onions. I'm chopping up some bell peppers, and you can use any kind of bell pepper that you want to use. And you want to saute this on medium-high heat. Just going to turn this up so we can hear the sizzle. And then we're just going to add a little bit of salt to this because you want to season every layer. All right, so I have the red pepper. We're just going to let that hang out over there, get nice and tender, and we're going to start assembling our salmon cakes. So I'm going to take an egg, and the egg is just going to bind it really well, and then a little bit of breadcrumbs. And I'm using panko breadcrumbs. It's just lighter. It's a Japanese breadcrumb. So I have a little bit of Dijon, and that's just going to give it a little bit of tang. And then just to keep the salmon cakes from drying out, I have a little bit of mayonnaise and then some Old Bay, because Old Bay makes everything taste better. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of beat everything together. And you can hear the sizzling over here. That is the sound that we want. And then I'm going to put this aside, and we have some fresh dill. So this is about, oh, it looks like a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add a little bit more salt. You want to be careful with the salt because the Old Bay has salt in it. And then I have my fresh salmon, and all I did was just take some salmon, put it on a sheet pan, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, 400-degree oven, bake it for 10-12 minutes, let it cool, and then you just start to flake it. Really, really simple. So our vegetables look like that they're almost there, and you just want to break up the big chunks of salmon. I love the way vegetables smell when you saute them. So good. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and saute. I added more oil when I formed the patty. And because the salmon is already cooked, this is only gonna take like 3-4 minutes on each side. So you just wanna take like a palm size piece of the salmon mixture and just kind of form it into a patty. And then you're just gonna place it in the pan. All right, so I have these in here. This is a messy job. You get to play with your food though. And I'm gonna take the one that's nice and golden brown. All right, so we're gonna garnish this. Hey guys, I'm all finished. I have my beautiful salmon cakes right here. I've garnished it with a little bit of parsley, and I'm gonna add one final ingredient because you gotta have the hot sauce, just like Aunt Dorothy did it. So I'm gonna douse it with hot sauce because I like things extra spicy. And I'm gonna go in for a little taste. Really good. Tastes just like my Aunt Dorothy's. I hope you guys will make this at home. Go to my website, chefrhadia.com, and I'll see you next time.